now for something completely different. It's all to do with breaking up pallets. I know it's got nothing to do with Land Rovers, but it could be interesting. Stick around. Now, what the hell is that, Mike? Well, for anybody who burns wood or pallets, this is an absolutely indispensable tool. This is what we made it out of, this piece of angle here. You see what I mean? We made it out of that. And the idea is, it's a piece of angle cut out with two legs here, and it's got a piece of old British scaffolding pipe there and a shaft. That's it. So when you put it on your pallet, the pivot pivots up and you can pop the boards off. You don't believe me? Let's go and have a look. Right, so as promised, I brought a pallet in. Now these aren't the best of pallets, but just to give you an idea how easy this is to use. You see, a lot of people when they collect pallets from the side of the road, they just stack them all up in the van. But with this little tool here, you can pop them off in next to no time. So to do boards on the edge, like that, one of them. Now obviously we're not really interested in nails or anything like that because you just burn them out, but there you go, that's how easy it is, and it works on hardwood pallets, and it comes with my Britrest lifetime guarantee, and it's only scrap. But the thing is, like I said, let me put it down. A lot of people go around with trailers and fill the trailers up with pallets and then struggle on at home trying to knock them to bits with a crowbar. Well, with that thing it's really easy. And the thing is, you can get 10 times as many pallets in the same trailer and save a lot of journeys. I just burn wood pellets now because this was a pain in the ass. And some of the pallets we were getting were hardwood pallets, but they were treated with a chemical treatment so they could come across the border. And when you burnt them, they were really toxic. It wasn't very good, so we gave them up, and that's why we went on to pellets. Anyway, let's go back to the bench and I'll give you some measurements. I'll shout these out in inches and centimetres for you because, like I say, it depends what you can get and depends where you are, but here it's, a lot of the things are in inches. Right, let's have a look. So this is 4x4 angle, which is 10 by 10 centimetres, and the whole thing is 10 inches long or 26 centimetres, it doesn't really matter, and the hole in the middle is 4.5 centimetres or 12 by, well, 9, so that goes right down into that corner. On the bottom corner here we just have simply a piece of 2-inch pipe which is 50mm, and then this is just welded into the corner at a suitable angle, round about 45 degrees, but this is a big heavy piece of pipe. The heavier the better. If you can make it out of solid, it's even better, but I had that, everything was kicking around, and we made it in about half an hour, and it didn't take all that long. I had it for years. So I hope you like that and make yourself one. No, the overall length, well, 45 inches or 115 centimetres. You can make it 120 if you want. The longer you make it, the better. Better for leverage. But as you can see there on that pallet, they were twist nails. And the nails stayed in the piece of wood and it just pulled the wood straight out. But if you're burning them, you're burning pallets, well, it's not really a big deal, is it? Just chuck them on. Chuck them on your fire. Right, there you go, Britrest tip. See you later.